Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today's video will be 2 silhouette type wall decor for my daughter's room. Again, along the horse theme. Are you sick of them yet? This first one, we're just going to use a canvas panel and we're going to cover it with some scrapbooking paper. So I'm just cutting out the piece here and we're going to glue that on, making sure you glue the actual paper itself and make sure that glue spread evenly everywhere. Glue that to your panel. And while that's drying, we're going to cut out our silhouette. Now this picture I just printed off from the internet. You can choose any one you like. And you want to just cut out all the black portion, getting as close to the edge as possible so that there's no white showing. And then we're going to glue this straight on as well. Be very careful you don't rip it because it will be wet and soggy. Cut off any of the excess paper and then let that dry. Once it's dry, I've just taken some pink ink to match the ink that was already on the paper. And I'm just going to distress the edges with the pink ink just to blend it all in. So that's pretty much that one done. Nice and simple. Now the next one we're going to do like a bit of a 3D effect. So we're going to cut out our silhouette first. And then we're going to glue that silhouette onto a foam piece of board. Now this board I just keep whenever we get any packaging material. It's just that sort of foam board. So plenty of glue and glue it down to the board. We're going to cover it with glue. This will just to help protect it. And once that's dry, we're going to cut it out. And I'm just using a craft knife to carefully cut around the foam board. Once that's all cut out, then we're going to paint the edges black, making sure that there's no white showing. And then once that's dry, we're going to glue it onto our pink background. And that's just scrapbooking paper. I've just picked up a nice piece that I wanted to stick it to. So we'll put that under some heavy books so that it dries flat. And while that's drying, we're going to cover the frame. Now, well, this is the actual insert of the frame, and because it's white, I actually wanted a black insert because of doing silhouette. I thought the black would look a lot better. So I'm just using some adhesive vinyl, like the same sort of stuff you cover books with, and we're just going to basically cover this frame insert with the black vinyl. Trim your corners and fold all the pieces in. Once all your pieces are folded in, cut in the center and then cut in a X-type shape to each of the corners and trim off the excess. And then fold these over. That's the frame there, ready to go. So now we're just going to use some double-sided tape and stick the scrapbooking paper onto the frame. And then I've just used some scrapbooking letters. These were just like letter stickers. They were actually different colors and I've just painted them all black to match this theme. And just spelled out the words live, love, ride. And last finishing touch for this one, I'm just lightly inking the edges, just with a bit of brown and red and darker sort of inks, just to age it a little bit around the edges. And that's it, guys. 2 pretty simple projects, and I think they've turned out quite effective. I'm hoping they'll look good on her gallery wall once we set it all up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.